Hey, I've got one of the biggest AI video updates of the year. Pippet AI Agent has launched a new model, Dreamina Seedance 2.0, now in early access on Pippet. That means you not only get access to Dramina Seedance 2.0 for basic text-to-video tasks, but it's now integrated with an AI agent, making it much easier to unlock its full potential. So you're not just creating videos anymore, you can also update, fix, or change any part of them just by typing what you want.
Edit any part of a video with text. Say the change, see the change.
In this video, I'll break down the exact features that make this AI video tool stand out, especially its ability to help you edit videos, so you don't waste your credits and can save both time and money. Now hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let's get started. Part 1. Pippet AI Agent. Pippet is an AI content platform that helps you create professional videos from text, links, or existing media without needing complicated editing software. Now that Pippet AI Agent is powered by this new model, the way you edit videos changes completely. Instead of dealing with timelines, layers, and manual adjustments, you simply type what you want to change, and the system updates the video for you. That means no reshooting, no hiring editors, and no spending hours remixing assets. Production becomes faster, more flexible, and far more cost-efficient. You describe the change, and the AI handles the execution. Start the next era of content creation, only on Pippet. If you're new to Pippet, you can use the link in the video description to get started. Simply click the Start for Free button, then continue using your Google or social media account. Part 2. Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Edit. In this part, I'll show you 4 examples of how this new model can handle video editing using just text prompts, so you can see how practical and powerful it is for real projects. 1. Multiple reference inputs. With Pippet's newest model, you can edit videos using multiple reference inputs, such as images and videos, and precisely control how each reference is applied. For example, you can upload reference images or videos and instruct the AI to use them as characters, objects, or backgrounds in an epic battle scene. Here's an example video created using this multi-reference workflow. Object swap. You can also use Pippet's newest model to easily swap objects in your video. This makes it simple to create brand new videos from an existing one. Instead of reshooting or rebuilding edits, you just tell the model exactly what to keep and what to change. For example, you can use this technique to create ad videos for products that come in multiple colors. Each version can target a different demographic, helping increase engagement and conversion rates without needing to reshoot, re-edit, or manually produce multiple videos. If you want to replace the product in a video with a different one, simply upload the new product image and tell the AI to swap it. Make sure you instruct the AI to keep the lighting, angle, and overall consistency so the new product blends naturally into the scene. Here are some video ads created using this technique. Change background. Forget green screens and complicated masking. With Pippet's newest model, you can change the background of your video instantly just by describing the scene you want. No reshooting, no manual editing. Here's a before and after example showing how the background was completely transformed using the model. Remove objects. Sometimes you shoot the perfect clip except for one thing in the frame that ruins it. With Pippet's newest model, you can remove unwanted objects from your video just by telling the AI what to erase. No complex masking, no frame-by-frame cleanup. Here's a before and after example showing how an object was cleanly removed while keeping everything else in the scene natural and unchanged. Part 3. Video Generator. In this part, I'll show you two powerful techniques that reveal how creative the new model can be when generating videos. You'll see how it can turn simple ideas into visually stunning results. By the end of this section, you'll understand how to start creating your own AI movies or high-quality clips with ease. 1. Reframe and composition. With Pippit's newest model, you can upload reference images or storyboards and turn them into fully generated video scenes. The AI intelligently reframes your subjects and builds a complete scene composition around them. You can also guide the structure of a video by describing how each moment of the scene should unfold. For example, you can write a prompt that clearly defines the sequence of the video, outlining each scene step by step, from the opening to the final moment. 2. Mimic angle movement. This feature can completely change how you create videos. With Pippit's newest model, you can provide an image as the first frame and copy angle movement from another video. For example, this image is used as the first frame reference, while another video provides the angle movement. The model can combine both references and generate a new video that follows the same motion style. This means you can recreate complex angle shot without filming anything yourself. Just imagine how much time, effort, and production cost you can save when creating content or even short films. So, as you can see, this isn't just another AI video tool. It gives you full creative control, from editing and scene changes to complete video generation, all through simple text prompts. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description to sign up. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and let me know in the comments what you'd like me to test next. Don't forget to check out my channel for more AI video tutorials. See you there.